Hey folks, welcome back to the Beer Wrench Garage, and today I think we might be doing our last Adventures at the Junkyard video. I've had a series of these. I think this will probably be the 10th one, and they're not like the most popular, and I feel like I'm kind of running out of interesting things at the junkyard anyway. Mostly I get Audi and VW stuff, and I don't know, there's so many times I can show you what I'm grabbing. But in any case, I think 10 would be a nice round number to finish off the series. So like we usually do on these ones, we're going to go ahead and pop a beer. Head into the junkyard, and I'll tell you what I am trying to grab up. Alright folks, so I had an issue with my camera at the yard and I wasn't able to get regular video, so I have to kind of talk you through this here. The two main things I was trying to get is this K03 Turbo and the oil pump from this engine. This is Barb's 2007 VW EOS that I'll talk about here in a second. And the engine here is dumped because I dumped it a few weeks previous when I removed the cylinder head that went into our red Audi A4 that we're fixing up. So in this case here, I'm getting the K03 Turbo. This is the exact same turbo that goes on the A4, but the cold side cover is a little bit different, so it needs a little bit of a conversion, but the internals are exactly the same. This particular turbo is in good condition. So I got the turbo, I have a beer, talk a little bit about Barb's Car, which we'll get into here in a second. So guys, this is Barb's Car. I keep referring to it. This car gave up lots of its components for our red A4 to be able to continue on. I kind of get the feeling that Barb really liked her car. I feel like it's a good story that this car gave up a lot of components that allowed another Audi to live and continue on and serve. So that's pretty cool. So when you hear me talk about Barb's car, this is how she ended up. All she had was a little fender bender. Alright, so what's funny here is, like I told you, I dumped the motor earlier, and then that day it was hot, and I didn't take the axles off. So I came back here to get the oil pump. I'm trying to pull the engine out of the engine bay and flip it over, but I have to take the axles off. Luckily, even though they're kind of all tweaked, the wheels still turn, allowing me pretty decent access to the bolts. So the passenger side I was able to zip off with the impact, and then the driver's side with the ratchet. And then the last thing's really holding this engine there, a couple of harnesses and the cable for the starter. Remove those, and I'm going to roll this engine right out. I kind of pissed that I didn't get good video on this, because this was probably going to be a thumbnail. I was going to call it something like Drunk Goon Manhandles Engine. Well folks, we got our transmission off. Just in case you ever do, I don't know if this is a CVT maybe, there is a transmission bolt that goes through the starter housing, and that one I couldn't find for a long time until I just poked my finger randomly through and saw it. So now we should be able to pull the oil pump or the oil pan, and then we'll have to break the front cover to get to, no we won't, I don't think we will. We'll be able to get this stuff off and get to our oil pump. And a series of 10 mils. Should be able to pop her off. Okay, so there's a little slot on this flywheel that you can rotate it, so it gives you access to those last two oil pump bolts, or those oil pan bolts. Finally. So the rain's gotten down in here and kind of coated this thing, but we should be able to get what we need, I think. Okay, so what that will allow us to do is get our oil pump out without having to do any more drama. That separates us from the crank. Okay, so I think these are 10s, most of them all around. And I think that'll be basically the last step. I hope anyone's looking for a CVT transmission for a EOS. We can get it here. Oh, come on. Yeah, folks, this is a good oil pump. There's no wiggle, no play. All the teeth are good. That chip, we'll take it. One thing we will do is zip our little wheel back on here. And luckily it's keyed, so it can't go on the wrong way. And when we go home, we will zip the absolute bejesus out of it with WD-40. We should be good. All right, let's get going. All right, guys, so got our turbo, our oil pump. We're gonna see how much this intake cam costs, and then maybe some of these plastics, and then that'll be our haul for today. Well, folks, there it is, the final adventures at the junkyard. We had a successful pull of the oil pump, the turbo. Ended up not getting the camshaft because they wanted like $39 for it, and I don't know, maybe I should have got it, but it was an older revision, so whatever. But the turbo hopefully will serve us well, and I'll be able to get the oil pump maybe sold and make a couple bucks. So hope you've enjoyed these series. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and subscribe, and as always, leave comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.